Okay, ready? And go.
Hey YouTube! My name is Twee. Hey YouTube, my name is Twee. Today I will be doing an unboxing for kEURIG. I've never owned one of these, and this is actually interesting. I already started opening the box, but oh yeah, when you open it they give you a coupon, $3 off. I'm a little shy, I don't know what I'm doing. Please forgive me. No rude comments. And let's see. I hope I don't drop it. Okay. Ooh, it's actually so different. We forgot to buy the cup, but when you have it, you just stick it in this slot right here. You close it, and then you hit large, medium, or small, and then it starts brewing. Well, you have to have the cup down here, and it starts brewing. Plug in place, rinse and fill. So the water goes in here. I think the water goes in here. Okay. Oh, you know what? Maybe we can start brewing hot water.
Alright, so this is the kEURIG K Compact. Let's see what kind of cups will fit into it. You can use this little teacup that fits perfectly. Bam, bam, bam. And then you got this one, which is like a medium size. Bam, that fits perfectly. And then you got this big old chugga thing that is mine. Bam, that fits perfectly as well. So you can fit any of those sizes. And I think it's like 6'10" or 10 is the highest.
Behind the camera.
So, yeah. I look to mess those, but nope.
Okay. So we're gonna try and we can try and make tea. So I'm gonna fill up the water. And here goes the top. Turn it on. I'm just gonna hit the small cup size.
Put this up, put it in the K-cup, close it, press down.
Oh wait, maybe it's brewing, that's why. The water is going. The noise stopped because the noise was because it was brewing. The light's on, now it's ready. Let's do a medium. There it goes.
Hot water.
Time.
This is new probably.
Yay, see? Ta-da!
Hot water.
Hot water. Ooh, it's really hot. Well, this is the product and it works. Just make sure you rinse it before you use it. We were testing it out, so we forgot to do that, but it's good.
Alright.
Enjoy! See you next time on our next video. Bye.